The Balyans, a family of architects in the Ottomans.
Ottoman time, the people of the book enjoyed the freedom of thought and expression at the highest degree, and made scientific and cultural achievements that are still with us today. One of these was the Balyan family.
The Balyan family, who were of Armenian origin, were architects of the prominent structures that were built in the final periods of the Ottoman Empire. Their journey from Deverenk village of Kayseri to Istanbul turned the Balyans into the architects of Istanbul's mosques that we view with admiration even today. The Balyans were not Muslims, they were Christians, yet the fundamental principle of the Ottomans was to recruit people not according to their religious beliefs, but to their talent, a concept referred to nowadays as a meritocracy. In this way, the Balyan family was able to build mosques, Turkish baths, and charities without encountering any difficulty regarding their religion and faith. Among these are monumental buildings such as the Barracks of Rami, Davut Pasha, Topçular, Selimiye and Kuleli, Nusretiye and Dolmabahce mosques, Beyazıt Tower, Dolmabahce and Turan Palace.
This unequaled understanding of love and justice in Muslim lands was based on the Quran's morality. Muslim leaders who adopted such ethical standards always achieved security, peace, and justice in their domains. These administrations' priority was the public's happiness and prosperity. Therefore, they established systems that set the standard for future generations. When these same values of compassion, mercy, justice, understanding, modesty, patience, selflessness, and devotion derived from the Quran's morality begin to pervade today's societies, it will be possible to create a world order in which all people will find peace and security.